finding right angles. So what is a right angle? Well, angles are measures of turn, and a right angle is exactly 90 degrees. Now that can be tricky to know without having a protractor or an angle measurer, but a circle has 4 right angles to make 360 degrees. So this part is worth 90 degrees, this part 90 degrees, this part 90 degrees, and this part 90 degrees. And you'll notice that these are straight lines and they meet exactly at this right angle. Okay, so we may not have a protractor around the house to be able to measure this accurately, but what we do know is that all squares have 4 right angles. So if we have a look, this is my coaster at home. So if I have a look, to get from here to there is 90 degrees. That's a 90-degree turn, and we show that by drawing a little square. Okay, so I'm going to use the corners of my coaster to try and find out if these angles are right angles. So the way that I do that is I position my coaster so that it lines up to one of the lines. Now, as you can see, the lines fit perfectly, so I turn, that's a 90 degrees, so this angle is indeed a right angle, which I can show. Let's have a look at this one. So we don't have to use the same corner because they're all 90 degrees. I line it up with one of the lines. Now the other line didn't match exactly this corner. Therefore, this is bigger than 90 degrees and is not a right angle. So when it's not a right angle, we use a curved line to show. So this is not a right angle. This one is a right angle. Let's try this one. If I pop it in, again, I've turned it around. We can see this line matches this one perfectly. Indeed, it is 90 degrees. Lovely. This one is a right angle. And this one, line it up with one of the angles. Well, this time I can't even see the lines. This is smaller than a right angle. So this one is not a right angle. And that's how you can use something that you have in your house. If you can find a square or a rectangle, all of those corners where the sides meet will be right angles.